Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 1. We present about the Nestle company. My name is Muhammad Zamrul Hafiz bin Nur Azwan and my metric number is AP200051. I will present about introduction of company background. Nestle is a well-known brand around the world. It is a merge of two companies, that is Anglo Swiss Dairy Company and Farine Latte Henry Nestle. From 1868 until now, it has 6 different logos which aim to draw public attention to Nestle product. Nestle has over 2,000 brands and products that aim to meet the need of public and improve the quality of their product. That's all from me. Now I'll pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nosamina binti Zaidah and my metric number is AP200332. Nestle is a global nutrition and health company whose goal is good food, good life, providing consumers with the best and most nutritious flavor choice in a variety of food and a beverage category from morning to night. Nestle has stated that they will always use high quality materials. Millions of people around the world will buy Nestle products to show their trust in Nestle. The company mission, where they will always try to understand the customer needs. Nestle has always been recognized for its meticulous and persistent effort to ensure their product meet basic health standards and criteria. Company ensure that the quality of their product is good to protect their customers from contaminants while providing quality food to meet their needs. Nestle's goal is to be a leading, competitive nutrition, health and wellness company, create and chase shareholder value by being the corporate citizen of choice, employee of choice, supplier of choice, and seller of choice. Nestle is skilled of setting the pace and navigating people in the right direction based on what has been said, which is to be a leading company and deliver superior value. Next is main product or service. Nestle Food Service was founded in the 1976 and extended to Nestle Professional in 2008 to work with the growing number of outdoor food service operators. Nestle Professional is globally managed to business and partner that provide innovative brand food and beverage solutions to enable operators to innovate and satisfy their customers. Nestle provides brand solutions to commercial, institutional, and external customers such as Maggi, Nescafe, Nescafe Sunrise, Nestle Milk Mart, Nestle Everyday, and Nestle Nestea. Some people may be familiar with the Milo, Nescafe or Decaf brand. Milo is the greatest and most popular product. This product is known as a delicious chocolate drink that is high in energy and nutrients. This drink is suitable for all ages, starting at the age of 7. Milo contains many types of vitamins such as B1, B3. That's it for me. I will pass to next presenter.
To Dr. Zaril, my name is Yap Chen Wen with matrix number AP2090. Now, I would like to present the main suppliers and the alliances part for Nestle. Nestle collaborates with suppliers all around the world to deliver its products and brands in more than 186 countries. To run the business smoothly and efficiently, Nestle has a broad network of suppliers, including packaging suppliers, label suppliers, vendors who maintain its machinery, and professionals. Furthermore, Nestle and suppliers work together visually to finish the manufacturing process, with suppliers delivering goods and services that Nestle requires. Nestle is in charge of raw material sourcing with over 165,000 direct suppliers and 700,000 individual farmers all around the world. For the next part is alliances. Nestle is the latest company to join the Global Alliance for Trade Facilitations. Collaborations on trade facilitations reform with industry leaders like Nestle help to enhance business environment and provide access to best practices. For example, Nestle and General Mills still collaborate on the co-branded products. On the other hand, various sorts of brand partnerships has been shown to increase brand equity, sales growth, and market share. That's all for my presentation. I will pass it to the next presenter.
Good day, happy to Dr. Zamir. My name is Dr. Anderson Loy Hui Leong with matrix number AP200392, and today I'll be discussing the topic of processes and customers. Regarding the topic of processes, Nestle is guaranteed to have that the food and beverages that are produced with proper quality. This is because Nestle facilities are constructed with strict specifications which includes the clean and safe water supply, proper air filtration, and any materials that comes into touch with food are intended to create safe goods. Aside that, Nestle also controls the development of components and products that goes in and out of the company's facilities. This is to ensure that Nestle is accredited with cleaning and sanitation techniques which are taught to follow principles of good food hygiene. On top of that, Nestle possesses techniques and processing procedures that are carefully thrive in the food and beverages that are manufactured as appropriately as possible. Nestle also produces their goods in proportions that deliver suitable and consistent dosage of nutrition. Last but not least, Nestle also produces food and beverage items that are in ideal temperatures to maintain its nutritional content while terminating harmful chemical pollutants from forming. This is why Nestle does approximately 100 million tests per year to maintain its consumer goods to meet its domestic and foreign standards. Next will be the topic of customers. When we talk about customers, Nestle has their targeted customer segmentation to produce food goods to satisfy customers. Therefore, Nestle created segmentation goods that are suitable for different geographical weathers. For instance, a beverage item like Milo, which is a chocolate flavored powder which can be infused with any temperature of liquid to fulfill its customers' desire. Not only that, Nestle also manages their company's demographic segment which to fulfills the customers especially from different age, gender, and income. With that, anyone is able to enjoy it as Nestle offers a wide selection of products with affordable prices. Besides that, Nestle also manufactures goods and beverages that suits the regional preferences like lifestyle and heritage. Therefore, Nestle integrates the company with its produce which suits the lifestyle and heritage anywhere and everywhere they are. This ensures Nestle values all sorts of lifestyle and social diversity while not violating any rights of nationality, faith, race, and etc. Due to that, Nestle is able to retain consumers' trust and loyalty throughout time by remaining at the top of the market throughout the quality of the products. That's all from me. Thank you.
I'm gonna talk about issue and challenge faced by Nestle. The first issue that Nestle faces is promoting unhealthy food and mislabeling. They claim that one of their product, which is cereal, is a healthy meal, but different with what they claim. 7 out of 15 of their cereal actually have the highest level of sugar, fat, and salt. The second issues is health risk. In 2009, one of the Nestle product, which is Nestle prepackaged to house refrigerated cookie dough, caused more than 50 people in 30 states in US are ill, and half of them need to be hospitalization, while one woman had fatal infection after consuming it. It is due to the risk of contamination with E. coli on that product. The third issue is boycotting Nestle baby formula. In the 1990s, Nestle pushed their breastfeeding formula aggressively in the less economically developed country, which make the consumer to make the formula in a wrong way, which then risk child health. They also made it seem that their breastfeeding milk formula is as good as mother milk, which is very unethical, which then caused many companies boycotting them, and some also boycotting them till now. The fourth issues is employees. Their employees lack training and communication, which make their operation less productive, which not only affect their operation but also cause their worker to make a lot of small and big error. Due to this error, many products were rejected, which then not only affecting the company name but also cause the company to incur loss. More conflict will also occur among their workers, which then affect their employees' performance. The challenge that Nestle faces is first is regarding the consumer taste, preference, and expectation. This is because people taste and preference always are changing and unpredictable. Sometimes people like to eat something sweet, but sometimes they like to eat something organic or healthy. Each person also has different preference when eating something, and this makes the production of food product very challenging. The second challenge is maintaining product quality. The quality of the product is important for a company to stay successful. If the quality of their product decrease, they surely will lose their loyal customer. Loyal customer are very important for every company. The third challenge is a production challenge. Production challenge. Nestle face a big problem regarding their production, and this is because of logistic limitation, especially when facing pandemic. This is because many sectors need to be closed for movement control order. Not only raw material can hardly be obtained during that time, but packaging material also can hardly obtain. This makes Nestle to think what step they need to do to overcome this challenge.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Aisyah Nuridia binti Ramli. My number matric is AP200148. I will discuss about TQM tools encountering issues and challenges of Nestle. Nestle use total quality management tools to resolve issues and challenges they have faced. Nestle will be using total quality management tools which are flow chart, Pareto charts, and fishbowl diagram. First and foremost, the total quality management tools in Nestle is flowchart. Nestle will use the flowchart because flowchart is a process and who is responsible for those activities. This is useful when the problem arises because flowchart lets the process from the one step to the next step. They easily identify Nestle when the problem took place. Next, the total quality management tools are Pareto chart. Nestle will use Pareto chart to help segregate the problems and their causes. Other than that, it helps focus on solving the few issues generating the most problem. It shows the problem to focus on getting the most significant improvement. There are a lot of problems going on Nestle, such as management, employee, product, customer, and promotion. Lastly, the total quality management tools are fishbowl diagram. Nestle used this fishbowl diagram to help identify cause and effect relationship. It also helps to identify areas for improvement. The problems that arise in Nestle, such as maintaining product quality, production and innovation, poor communication, health threat, boycotting Nestle baby formula, customer taste preferences and expectation, promoting healthy food and mislabeling.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sabrina binti Ramza. My metric numbers is AP20032. I will present about the application of TQM tool, which is flowchart, Pareto chart, and also fishbone or cause and effect chart. Nestle company use these TQM tools to improve the company and also to identify the problem that company face. Firstly is flowchart. Flowchart is commonly used in the beginning of project, decision point, and the finish of project. Nestle use flowchart to identify the problem in company. Nestle company is multinational company that face different issues and also challenges. One of the challenges that company face is promoting unhealthy food and also mislabeling. Company was embarking on a company-wide project to update its nutrition and healthy strategy to ensure that the product is help customer to fulfill their nutrition need. Nestle company also committed to provide truthful, meaningful, transparent, and also scientifically proven product labeling in all product that they produce in company. Secondly is Pareto chart. Nestle company use Pareto chart to identify problems, opportunities, and also to improve the company. Among the issue and challenges that company face is customer taste, preference, and also expectation. It is very important to get the customer satisfaction and also customer loyalty for good and service. In order to meet the customer test, Nestle company has been doing the renovation and also innovation just to meet the customer test. For example Nestle company is launching a great tasting products such as Milo less sugar, cereal Nutribites and also Maggi pedas gila. To get the customer preference and expectation, Nestle company has been doing the campaign and also activity just to engage the customer. For example Milo Active Negaraku, Nestle Coco Crunch Junior Taekwondo Championship and also Maggi Secondary School Cooking Competition. Lastly fishbone diagram or cost benefit diagram. Nestle company use this tool to identify the quality and inspection point in production process. There are 5 elements in this system, which is management, employee, customer, promoting and also product. By using these TQM tools, the company can take the correct and effective method to resolve the problem. The problem that related to employee in Nestle company is lack of training and also poor communication. To help employee learn about the various departments that contribute to their own and the company's success, Nestle company is provide educational program such as Nestle Everyday Coaching and Mentoring Program and also e-learning and on island. Other than that, to increase the employee communication, Nestle workplace is grown more informal. I will pass the presentation to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Arif Aiman bin Muhammad Zawawi. My matrix number is AP200207. I will present on continuous improvement strategy. So what is continuous improvement strategy? It's also known as continual or continuous improvement process. Is an ongoing process to improve the product, services or processes of an organization. While conduct a study on the manufacturing process of Nestle company, we found that the several improvement strategy that can be applied by Nestle company. First, taking precautions and support plans for the raw material use. This is because the Russia-Ukraine war had a huge impact on the world economically. For example, the Russia-Ukraine war has had the impact on the production process on grain-based product of Nestle company, such as Honey Star and Cocoa Crunch. As a result, the production process of grain-based product from the Nestle company will be affected due to the low raw material to produce the product. Next, Nestle can do the improvement strategy to increase the production of quality product. This is because Nestle has produced various types of product in term dairy product, cereal, fast food, and so on in the market to meet the needs of consumer. However, the production of the same product for too long in the market will make the quality of the product decrease because the consumer begin to become bored and not interested at the same time to buy in the market. Therefore, Nestle need to play an important role to ensure customer demand for all product produced continuous keep increase in the market. For example, Nestle can produce the product according to the type of festival that exists in Malaysia, such as Hari Raya, Deepavali, and Chinese New Year. That's all for me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Next, in conclusion, organic organizational design model can adapt to a competitive external environment and have decentralized decision-making power. From microeconomic and macroeconomic theory, when product price go down, the demand for high quality product increase, and vice versa. Based on the analysis Nestle market performance, we make a recommendation to help company improve their market activities. That's all from us, Group 1. Thank you.